Hello everyone, we are Professor Wenhongbin's project students. 田正佳, Li Junwei, and Ye Zonghan. For this semester's project, we used AI to develop an add-on module that upgrades public refrigerators. Next, we'll give a detailed introduction. Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to our project, the Smart Fridge Extension, or SAFE for short. Shared fridges are everywhere, in schools, offices, and dorms, but they come with a lot of problems. Food gets stolen or tampered with, expired items pile up, it's disorganized, and nobody knows who owns what. Sound familiar? We thought so too. That's why we created SAFE, a smart, AI-assisted fridge extension. It's designed to make any regular fridge smarter, cleaner, and more organized. In order to address the problems we mentioned previously, we propose a system that requires you to log your ID before using the shared fridge. As student IDs or work IDs are readily available in these shared environments, it's easy to integrate them. Additionally, we want to create a system that automatically identifies what food this is and reminds the user with an estimated expiry time while tracking all items that are currently in the fridge. The food recognition system is not a new concept on the market. However, there are important distinctions I must emphasize. Existing products with AI food recognition cost around 60,000 new Taiwan dollars and are not usable as shared fridges. Additionally, if one does want to upgrade their fridge with AI recognition, they must replace the old fridge entirely. We designed our projects with these problems in mind. Our finished product will be a modular upgrade to existing fridges and uses a lightweight YOLO 11 model that's fit for edge computing to perform the previously mentioned food recognition. Our system is a low-cost module that attaches to any fridge. It uses an RFID reader, a camera, and a lightweight AI model, YOLO 11, running on a Jetson Nano development kit to automatically recognize food items before users put them into the fridge. The recognized items are uploaded to a cloud database. Then, users can see all their items through an app, set expiration dates, and manage everything remotely. We also implemented a QR code system to clearly identify ownership between identical items. More on that later. Now, you might wonder, why YOLO 11 instead of the older versions like YOLO 8? YOLO 11 is the latest model in the YOLO family. It brings several key improvements. First, it's faster and more accurate, especially for detecting small or partially blocked objects. Second, it uses fewer parameters compared to YOLO 8, meaning it runs much smoother on lightweight hardware like our Jetson Nano. Finally, thanks to a new spatial attention mechanism called C2PSA, YOLO 11 can better focus on important areas of an image, reducing recognition errors. All of this helps us build a smarter fridge without needing expensive hardware. Let me quickly show you how it works in action. First, you tap your ID card to use the system. If you are a first-time user, you need to make an account first on our website. Next, you can place your food in our biodegradable plastic bag printed with QR codes, or use one of our QR code stickers. The QR code helps us distinguish between identical food items. For example, both you and your buddy might place an apple in the fridge. Thanks to the unique QR code attached to each item's bag, you can easily tell whose apple it is. When you take food out of the fridge, simply scan the QR code to confirm that it belongs to you. As you can see here on the screen, the camera first scans the QR code and associated with the current user. Then, we run YOLO 11 to identify what food this is. After the identification, the info is uploaded to our database and you can see all your info in the app. Now we log into the app and see all of our food in the fridge. We have a preset class name and expiration time associated with each food class. This is a rough estimate and may not be entirely accurate. The user can freely edit this info in the app if they wish to do so. The image here should show a picture we took of the orange. However, the app is still work in progress. Once you have consumed the food, you can manually remove it from the app. A feature I would like to highlight is barcode rescanning before food retrieval. When you want to take food out, you must scan your ID again, and also scan the barcode on the food item. If the system detects that you are trying to take an item that doesn't belong to you, or if you skip scanning, the fridge will immediately trigger an alarm to alert nearby users. This protects everyone's belongings, prevents unauthorized access, and creates a culture of accountability in the shared spaces. We believe SAFE can make shared spaces cleaner, smarter, and more convenient. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Finally, I would like to thank my amazing teammates, as well as our professor and teaching assistants for their guidance. Everyone actively participated in discussions every week and showed great initiative, which made it possible to turn our ideas into reality within just 16 weeks.